Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Do you see what I see? This is the haul. It's from eBay. If you watched my last video, you will know that I've moved recently. I've moved from a 1-bedroom flat to a 3-bedroom house, and when you move you obviously spend a lot of money on furniture and stuff. And recently I've needed to buy so much because a few things that I've had for a while have just pretty much died. Like my vacuum cleaner, for example, it literally fell apart 2 days ago, and I panicked because I'm a person that vacuum probably every day. And no, I do not have OCD. It's just I like it clean around me. I don't always use my big vacuum. But I use like my tiny little handheld one when I just want to like get up some crumbs and stuff. It's so much easier to clean a little bit every day because then you don't really need to do like a massive deep clean all the time if you just let it go. But my vacuum fell apart, and that is a really expensive buy, especially a vacuum that I wanted. That was very expensive, but I got it. I received it this morning. It's a Miele C3 pet and dog vacuum, and it is really nice. I haven't really tried it out. I've just seen it, like I've opened the box and stuff and I looked at it, and I've read a lot of reviews. It's expensive. It's really expensive when you buy it, but it will last you a few years. So I've just had stuff like that kind of happen. I needed to get wardrobes and a lot of stuff, coffee tables and sideboards and all of it, and all of that kind of ends up costing a lot. So I haven't spent as much money as I usually do on my crafting supplies, but I went on eBay because I thought, you know what? If I'm not spending too much, I can at least look at eBay and see if they had any good deals. And boy, did they. My word, I can't believe that I found this. It was a seller on eBay. I thought I was going to get scammed actually, because the ad was quite weird. And it was weird in the sense that it was just one picture, pretty much. It was one picture of like 2 stamps like this. And then it said 60 whimsy stamps, all different images. Like that was it. And I just thought, my word, is this is this wrong? Something must be wrong here. Like, you don't sell 60 new, and she said new, never open whimsy stamps for £45, $60. And then I messaged her and I said, is it really 60 stamps? And she's like, yeah, 60 stamps. And I was like, okay, yeah, definitely, I'm buying it, £45 for 60 stamps. And then when I had it delivered, she messaged me just like a day or so before it was delivered to me. It was 90 whimsy stamps. I had counted wrong. And I've also added 2 totally new stamping pads from Stampin' Up. And I'm like, wait, what? Amazing seller, and I'm so happy that I bought it, because I don't think I will ever come across anything like this ever again. Because one of these stamp sets, whimsy stamps, obviously I think it is American, I'm not sure, it might be American, but they are quite pricey, especially the new ones here in the UK, because they need to be like imported and stuff. And all of these are mounted, and they've never been used, and they're in their packaging. I mean, it's just crazy. So I thought it would be fun to share with you the stamps that I picked up, that I bought, and just share the images with you, because these are gorgeous. They are amazing. Like, they are so cute. And I've always been a fan of whimsy stamps, but like, this just takes the price. They are gorgeous, and I don't know the year when they were made, because it doesn't say on the packaging, but they're all like original. I mean, they're not like fake. It's not like AliExpress stamps. So I'm gonna start sharing them with you and show you the stamps. So let's start. So I might speed up part of this video because otherwise it will take too long, but I've got these cute little cupcakes. Look at that, isn't that adorable? It's a mixture between little animals and like cute little images and stuff. So, and that girl, obviously, I think that's Wee Stamps. Yeah, Wee Stamps. It's quite famous. But just look at this. Crazy. I don't think I will ever again come across something like this, because it's crazy. And I'm very lucky, and I can't wait to use my new elegant writer pen that Anna Wright, I think her name is Anna Wright, I think, or White or something like that. She showed a technique on her YouTube channel, and you need to watch it if you haven't. It's just amazing, and I can't wait to use, like, for example, this one and use that technique. It's just gorgeous. So I bought that actually off Amazon. As soon as I had finished a video, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna order it. I'm just gonna order one of these colors from Tim Holtz that I didn't have. I bought like a set of 4 stamp pads, and then I bought that elegant writer set. I might pick up some Inktense pencils that she used as well, but I don't know yet. I might see if the pens that I've got work. If not, I might need to pick up an Inktense pencil set, because she used that and it was really beautiful. But look at these. Aren't these cute as well? Super cute. And so many as well. I can't believe it. I mean, I wonder if she had a shop and then she just wanted like some cash, but like 45 quid for this, $60 US. That is nothing. That's less than £1 per stamp. Yeah, I've never heard about anything like this happening to people. So if something like this has happened to you on eBay, please share it in the comments. Like, I'd be really interested to know if anyone else have like come across an ad like this. A few years ago, I bought a die. It was like loads of dice, metal dice, but it wasn't new dice. It was used, and I think I paid $80 or something like for all of them. But they have been used and they were like not in their original packaging, but all of this is really like it's in the original packaging and they've never been opened. my massive haul from eBay, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please push a little thumbs up, and I see you in my next video. Bye.